For the peroneals, the firmer roller you feel, the more sensation you'll feel because it's a little bit hard to find the sensation here if you're not already super, super tender. But a lot of the sensation is varied, and it's really important for ankle mobility that we uncover it. So I'm going to choose my firm roller today. If you need more sensation, a pinky ball, a tennis ball, or a softball is also a great tool for this area. Come on down to one side, lie on that elbow, and then bring your knees in front of you at like a 90-degree angle, okay? And just relax here. You can choose to place your head in your hand, lie all the way down. I'm gonna choose to stay propped up, and you'll see why in a moment. So prop that prop, your roller or your ball or whatever it is, underneath your lower leg, and then deliberately choose to put pressure onto your bottom leg with your top leg. Press down into it, foot to foot. Just kind of anchor the feet together. Now start to straighten the legs to comb through the side of the lower leg. If you have a slippery surface underneath you, this is kind of a cool time to slide your hips down and up as you bend and straighten, similar to the calf technique. Okay, now you can play with your ankles. Turn your toes toward the ground, or toward the sky to capture different angles of these peroneal muscles here, these ankle stabilizers. Once you get to a spot that you think might be a little bit more important than the other spots, you can do a couple of different movements. You can sort of mermaid fin your legs back and forth to grab onto the tissues and create some cross fiber friction. You can wing your ankles away from each other. This bottom ankle is the one that's being affected, right? So if you pendulum swing it from side to side, you'll feel the sensation change as the peroneals engage and stretch and move around on top of the pressure. You can also just stay heavy, press the top leg down into the bottom leg, relax your ankles and breathe. That's always an option. If you're staying on one spot and you feel like you have enough pressure, relax your upper body. There's no sense in holding yourself up. But keeping yourself upright like this will help to create a little bit more leverage. There's no need to push into the ground and lift your hips off of the ground, but this will create maximum pressure and maximum sensation if you're in the mood for a side plank. That's the peroneals. I hope you enjoyed.